In this lesson, we'll be looking at the tools that we will need in order to create this online platform that we were talking about. We'll be using a combination of tools and services, and so let me give you a breakdown of what you will see as we proceed. First of all, we're going to get a domain name. The domain name is basically the address that points to your shop. So take it like you have a physical shop, and then there's an address that leads people to the shop as number 15 so street. So your domain name is basically the same thing here: www.yourstorename.com.co.xyz.org and .store, or whatever it is that you want to name your business. Now the next is we're going to get ourselves a hosting. Now hosting is basically where all your website content are stored. Now take it like this is where all your files, your product data will be sent to your customers. Login details will be stored. Everything that will make up your website is where we're going to store on our hosting. Now the next we're going to look at is the CMS. Now CMS is a short form for content management system. Now in this case, we'll be using a platform called WordPress. A lot of you knows about WordPress, and then people look down on it, but believe you me, WordPress these days is doing more than just what we used to know of. Now a lot of websites, including popular websites, including even some banks, even some government websites, are being built on WordPress. So most people will say WordPress is not secure. That is a lie. That is a lie. WordPress is very secure, and you as a website owner, you have to know how to also secure your website, which I'm also going to teach you here how to secure the website. So we're going to use WordPress, and then we're going to use WooCommerce platform, and then we're going to use an already built theme that is already been built and designed. That's what we're going to use to build this website. So we're not going to stress. I'm not going to stress it because I already said this course is going to be a no code course where you don't have to sit down and write all the code. So we're going to use already made themes in order to build this website. So the next thing we're going to use is the plugins. Now plugins are basically like some tiny agents that are being used in order to make your website more beautiful. Just take it like that. Plugins are like let's say you've built this nice office for yourself, and then you're now coming to attach. So what should I do that will make the lighting more colorful? So in this case, you need some extra amazing bulbs. So what should I do that will make maybe me not having to shout over the next office in order to call my worker? Alright, so I need a telephone, I need the office telephone. So plugins are just all these tiny things that helps the website to be more interactive, to be more engaging. And then we have plugins like the SEO tools, shipping calculator, we have the payment gateways, and then we have the security tools that can secure your website from attacks and all that. Now the last we're going to look at is the payment gateways. Now for you to receive payment on your website is not that difficult. You have to make use of a third-party platform that can help you receive your payment on your website. Now all this is done to make sure that they prevent fraudulent acts on websites, so people cannot just wake up in the morning and then create a random website and then start receiving payment. No, they have to make sure that your website is fully secured, it's registered, it's very legit, and then these platforms like we're going to use in this course, like Flutterwave and Paystack, will provide you with their payment gateway where you implement on your website. I'm still going to show you how to do that, and then people can pay you on their website, and then these guys will receive your money for you very securely, and then you can just go there, withdraw your funds, just like you sending your money to the bank and then going back to withdraw it somewhere. That is how it is. And then we are going to walk you through each of these steps that we are going to use in order to create this beautiful e-commerce platform for yourself.